Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the rural society of Pakistan. Uh, so, according to 2017 census, which is recent or latest available census of Pakistan, uh, nearly 63% of population lives in the rural areas of Pakistan. So, whereas almost 36 to 37% population is urbanized now. It also reflects a very high rate of urbanization in Pakistan as compared to the neighboring countries. So Pakistan is basically an agriculture society as yet, despite having the higher pace of urbanization, and its rural areas and population continue to be the mainstay of economy, because most of our GDP is produced through agriculture or agricultural products. Agriculture is the largest sector in the economy, which contributes to the 25% of the GDP and providing the 70% of the total value of our export products. So the sector at present, it employs 17 million workers, representing the 44% of the country's labor force. Here is a little glimpse of agriculture and agricultural activities in the rural areas. The social homogeneity is one of the main characteristics of rural areas, and we find the unity and similarity in the patterns of thinking, behaving, dress code, and ethics. As you can see, our urban population is mostly dwelling in Punjab, and the characteristics of people of Punjab, and especially the Punjabi society, you would find a great unity among people and similarity in the patterns of thinking and behaving. As you would travel in different rural areas of Punjab, you would find the great hospitality of people over there, and consensus on the moral values, customs, as well as religious beliefs. So, most important for the rural population is the dominance of the primary relationships. It means that the family is very important for them. Their blood relationships are very important for them, and then you will find the importance of kinship relationships. They tend to be more engaged in the face-to-face interaction that creates a strong social bond, as we have already discussed in different theories about the rural population, about the characteristics of rural population, that social integration or social bonding is very important for the rural people. So is the case with the rural people of Pakistan. They tend to be engaged more in face-to-face interaction, as well as having they don't like to be interfered in their matters. However, there is a great tendency to solve their social issues based on the collectivities, and they have the frequent meetings for that, and community interest prevail over the individual interest. And particularly, they have a greater sense of belongingness. They use their identity as a very important characteristic while discussing their social issues, चाहे वो शादी के मसले हों या लड़ाई झगड़े हों. ख़ानदान का नाम जो है वो बड़े इम्पोर्टेंस इख्तियार करता है. So it means that the sense of belongingness is considered very important for the rural people of Pakistan.